Welcome back to the Mekong Flood and Drought Forecast channel. This is Supanath from the Mekong River Commission. Let's start with the rainfall update. This week, rainfall is expected to stay about the same compared to last week. In the next 5 days, from 24 to 28 June, isolated thunderstorms and heavy rain are forecasted in parts of the lower Mekong Basin. Affected areas include central and southern Laos, northern and northeastern Thailand, the 𝐃𝐫𝐤𝐶 Basin, and southwestern Cambodia. Now, let's take a look at the flood situation across the Mekong River. As of 23 June, water level at all monitoring stations along the mainstream remain within normal range. No station have exceeded the alarm of flood thresholds. Over the next 5 days, water level from the upper to central part of the basin, from Chiang Saen to Pakse, are expected to rise by 0.2 to 1.3 meters, while Stung Treng station downstream are expected to drop from 0.5 to 1.1 meters. No station along the mainstream are expected to reach alarm of flood level during this period. The information provided here is meant for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website, report, and download the 𝐌𝐞𝐤𝐨𝐵 mobile app for more technical details and get the most updates from the communities. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to tune in every Monday for the latest on rainfall, water level, flood and drought condition in the Mekong River Basin. Goodbye for now.